PeaPea lowered the parachute into a room filled with mysterious buttons. He eagerly ran to press the round green button. It turned out to be a delicious fresh orange. PeaPea loved eating oranges. This orange had emotions. It was angry to know that PeaPea intended to eat it. The orange starts chasing PeaPea. Will PeaPea successfully escape his pursuit? PeaPea accidentally fell on the red square button, making the orange to disappear. Phew! PeaPea could finally breathe a sigh of relief. The red button poured out a lot of M&M candies, making PeaPea can't believe his eyes. He excitedly kept putting candy into his mouth. Don't eat so many candies at once, PeaPea. It's really not good for you at all. PeaPea continued to press the blue button, the M&M candy disappeared, and the room began to shake. The two sides of the wall are moving closer together. PeaPea must find a way to escape immediately. Where is PeaPea? He really likes this gift box. This arrow is guiding PeaPea somewhere, isn't it? This wall is so strange. Oh no! Many dinosaurs are crawling out, scaring PeaPea. Below, there's a crocodile dentist with a lot of M&M candies in its mouth. Wow, the candies in Crocodile Dentist's mouth are so delicious. PeaPea really likes them. It's too dangerous, PeaPea. PeaPea has come up with a new plan. Oh, so PeaPea transforms into a green crocodile to approach the pink crocodile and take the M&M candies from its mouth. funny dog dentist guarding the gift box. Have an idea. PeaPea will use the M&M candies to lure away this pack of dog dentists. Oh no! It's exposed! PeaPea, quickly run away! Wow! Inside the gift box is a beautiful PeaPea teddy bear. Wow! PeaPea is strong. He is helping John chop wood. John brings a block of magnetic balls that PeaPea finds fascinating. He persuades John to share some with him. What will PeaPea do with these magnetic balls? Look, John! PeaPea has arranged the magnetic balls into rainbow-colored strips. John used these strips to build a rainbow magnetic ball house. Now PeaPea will cut empty Pepsi can into flat pieces. John will use these flat pieces to decorate the exterior of the magnetic ball house. PeaPea also wants to help John, but he's a bit clumsy. The house is completed, but it seems a bit small for PeaPea. PeaPea transforms himself to become smaller. Now he looks perfectly fitted for the house. Oh no! PeaPea's soda can is being attracted toward the magnetic ball house. John brings PeaPea to a room with doors labeled Job and Occupations and invites him to explore. PeaPea chooses the first yellow door. What profession could be behind it? A lot of Lego pieces fall along with a Lego house blueprint. It turns out PeaPea's job is to build a Lego house. Let's get started. Ta-da! PeaPea has finished building the Lego house. It's quite tiring. In this room, PeaPea experiences being a police officer. PeaPea is given a gun with the task of hitting the target. He's a clumsy police officer. PeaPea infuriated and went out. He no longer wanted to be a police officer. There's still one career door left, PeaPea. This time, PeaPea will try being a chef. Today's task is to make pizza. PeaPea starts by preparing the ingredients. He cuts tomatoes and sausages into small pieces. Now, all that's left is to arrange the various ingredients on the pizza base and then bake it. PeaPea and Bomb are happily playing tag together. Oh no, Bomb is stuck in a locked room. Don't worry, Bomb. PeaPea will find the key to get you out. This beach is so big. What should PeaPea do at this beach? He started digging everywhere in the sand, but still couldn't find the key anywhere. PeaPea shook the coconut tree very strongly. Maybe he wants to find the key on this coconut tree? Poor PeaPea, no key fell down. PeaPea used a magnifying glass, but still couldn't find anything. PeaPea discovered a door. Is this where the key is hidden? Behind the door is an ice room. PeaPea is cold and shivering. PeaPea has already seen the key, but the key was covered by an extremely thick layer of ice. PeaPea brought the ice block to the beach. The heat from the sun caused the ice to melt. PeaPea got the key. He's so smart. So PeaPea was able to get Bomb out. A mysterious flying saucer appears and takes both PeaPea and Red away.